Alright, so now we are going to add our powder, our organic. This is mushroom powder, and I got one more here. It's turmeric. Okay, so we're gonna dump this in here like this. All right. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna spread it around all the holes. Pretty easy to do. Just takes a little time out of your day. Instead of going somewhere and now we have this. This fits in every one of the holes and it tamps it down for you. Just like that. All right. Okay, so I'll put a little bit more on here. We want to fill them all good, so I generally just try to fill this half of the capsule. And spread it around, get it in all the holes there, just like that. Knock off your little wedgie there, and we're on to the next step.